Hey guys, Brain on the side and welcome to my channel. So today this video is all about camp crew life, and also it's about a room tour, and I would like to tell you that I'm in Jaipur and I did a flight from Kolkata to Jaipur. Now I'm in a Holiday Inn in Jaipur and will show you my journey from Kolkata to Jaipur, and also will show you a room tour, so get ready with it. Hey! Hi! Come inside, come inside. Hi! Welcome. My name is Prerna and well, hi. How are you?
All good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you for asking. Well, guys, my name is Prerna. As many of you know, and some of you might not know, today I'm here in Jaipur and in my hotel. That is like I have my layover and I have my friend with me as well behind the camera. So give a shout out to her. And
Thank you.
well, guys, it's been 3 years and in the company, but I have never shown you anything like from my flight, duty and room as well. So this video is going to be a room tour and I'm just gonna show you. We are here, it's Holiday Inn, right?
Holiday.
Yes, exactly, Holiday Inn. So I'm just gonna show you. Come over. Come, guys, come. By the way, alright, sorry for that. I just took a bath and I'm just in this uniform, so sorry.
Looking great.
So this is it, this is the room, guys. You can see this is the bed, obviously. So sorry that this is so messed up. Also, I want to say the mattress is pretty, you know, after a long sector you just want to like like that. I'm not gonna do that. Alright, so this is the bed. Like we get 2 beds and we have to share a room with a partner, so it's always fun to have 2 beds, right? If you have a fear of ghosts, so it's always better to have a friend with you. Alright, so these are the beds and you can see there are like lights out here. These are whenever you want to go for like a washroom or something like that. It's a like a room is dark, you can just switch it on. Like these are the switches out here. You can plug your charger, as my friend has got a phone as well. And come over, I'll show you. Yes. Hi guys, sorry I have to cut it because of the battery of my camera, it was dead. Anyway, I just, you know, got rid of those towels, it was so wet. Anyway, I was talking about switches, right? Why would I talk about switches? But then also, it's a room tour, so we have to talk about it. Right, these are the switches. We have master lights out here. Whenever it's dark, you just need to turn it on. Let me just give you a demo. Oops. That's it. Yeah, and also we have a telephone, and you don't need to worry. You don't have to rush to outside and just ask for things. You can just call out here. You can this will connect to the rooms as well, to the reception and everything. Right, and a door, obviously, if you have something valuable, you can just place it inside. If you have a gun, you can put it here. Right, and my friend is charging a phone, so there's like plugs also. Alright, so what else we can talk about? We can talk about this thing. Come over. We can talk about this couch. I know this is lame, right? But also I'm gonna talk about this thing. Whenever you have a visitor, All right, I'm just gonna do it like this. You can just make the visitor sit out here and talk to you.
Yeah.
Anything. you know?
Anything.
Because sometimes people, they don't want to like hop in bed. They just want to sit out here or maybe drink their coffee or tea or have their lunch, whatever out here. So we can do this and it's pretty comforting. Yes. And the lights obviously out there.
Yes.
It makes the room very, very, very elegant and yeah, gives out lights. Alright, let's talk about another text out here. If your phone is not working there, then don't worry, my friend. You have another one here. Right, you can call. Hello? Yeah. Hello, who's there? Like that, you can call. Obviously, I'm not gonna do that, but yeah. And this is a, oops, this is a light, I believe.
Yeah.
Yes. Again, my goodness, I'm just lame. Yeah, it's just let's get rid of it. All right, it's off. No, it's not off. Hey, how do we do it? All right, we have to press a little longer. It's just like some stubborn people, you know. Whenever we try to poke them, they'll not reply. It's just like that. So we'll just leave it there. And we have a cool mirror. It's a mirror. It's a mirror, but it's like it has a lot of pattern in it. So yeah. And we have a chair. And the cool feature about this chair is wing. Kidding. Am I acting a little weird? It's okay. It's because of my. Also, a dustbin is there. Yo, guys. I'm a trash. Would you like to trash me out there? Alright, so that's pretty much. Oh, how can we forget about this? This is a TV. Alright, so it's a Sony out there. And these are the curtains. It's pretty thick. 2 layers of curtains. Big one. Another one, the light one. Okay, so if you want some light in your room, but you're scared, you know, like people will see you peep through, so you can just work with this one. This one is a little bit light, but it gives a lot of natural light inside the room, so it's better always, because we have to save electricity as well, so we'll just switch to the natural light, right? Okay, so guys, I could see something. Oh, there is a mural out here. You can see. Come out there. Come here. From here, you'll see some Maharaja's faces there. Goodness, he has a good mustache out there. Yeah, that bindi also looks cool. Man, you look fire. Anyway, we have nothing to see out here, so guys, let's close this. Okay, what else you want to see? You want to see the drawer? Have you seen it? Okay, I'll show you. Don't worry, come over. We have something here. We have our tea counter. It's called mini bar. Out here we have a mini bar. You do not have to rush to any bar station or something like that. You can just need to. Is it locked? Oh no. I present to you the mini bar, guys. We have soda water, Pepsi, Mirinda, 7-Up, and real juice. And what do we have? Look. We have a beer. Would you like to drink some?
Nah.
No. Alright. Even I'm like a more of a teetotaler now. So I'm just gonna grab some water. These are not chargeable, right?
These are chargeable.
Water.
Yeah.
Holy
Put that back.
Mother Mary. Okay, we have sneaker bars. क्या बोलते हैं उसे हिंदी में? अगर hunger सताए तो क्या है वो?
Grab a sneaker.
Oh, grab a sneaker. Right. Grab a sneaker, but this is chargeable. Don't grab it. All right. And we have some miniatures. कुछ याद आ रहा है इससे? Light किया
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the mini bars, and these are all chargeable bases. You can like. If you're thirsty and water is not quenching your thirst, please feel free to use it. Also, we have something inside. I think it's locked. Okay, I'm not gonna touch that. So we just have few. It's recording.
Yeah.
Okay, we have tea out here. So basically, if there is some visitor, you can just make them tea, or if you're tired, frustrated, depressed like me, you can grab a drink like espresso maybe. Do we have it? Yes, right. Coffee, my friend.
Coffee.
Okay. So we have this boiler. You can basically boil this water, which is like free for us, and some chips. This is what it is. All right. So now coming to the main part. I like this mirror. Sometimes I'm too narcissist, so I just watch myself in the mirror, but I get to know that I'm gaining a lot of weight.
It's okay.
It's okay, yeah, right. So, tan-taran, taran, nothing is there. Oh my goodness. We have a locker for the rich people, not unlike me. Okay, so this is a locker. You can put your things inside and obviously use these keypads to just, lock it. A light, if you are in danger. We're just gonna put it back. All right, and drawers, and we have some hangers. This is the towel that I used, so it's pretty much wet. And we have basic laundry stuff. We're gonna close this. And ouch. Alright, we're gonna close this. And now I'll show you the washroom. I'm not gonna talk about like everything, but just gonna show you. So these are the cool thing about this is a slidey one. Like it slides. Ooh, Kuja Sim Sim. Alright, inside here you have a don't cupboard and mirror lights, faucet. Oh, dryer.
Yes.
Dryer, we have it. Alright. And the shower is inside here. We're not gonna take you there because I've already done with my bathing. And also, don't worry guys, if you are not outside and the phone rings, we have another one inside the washroom. Like, hello, I'm doing my shit. Right, you can use it. Pretty much everything. Yeah, so this is it. This is the toilet door, and I have a beautiful frame of peacock feathers. So guys, this was it. This was a room tour, and we're gonna do some exciting stuff out here. We're gonna do exciting stuff. I'm going to do an experiment on my friend. I'm just gonna make her wear stuff like that. So this is it. I'll show you more. Stay tuned. Bye.
Bye.
Ciao. Okay guys, so what happened was somebody came and gave our food to us because we have ordered it, and ta-da, these are the foods out here. And let me just quickly show you. These are, you've ordered for lemonade as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have lemonades that is without sugar as I'm in diet, and these are papad. I don't know what we call in English, but in Hindi it's papad, and in Nepali also it's papad. I'm just gonna place the papad out here. Some salad is here. Alright, green salad he has given me. I told him not to give onions, so he has done the same. So it's nice. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you. Also, I told him to give some fruits to me, so he has given me some fruits. And what do we have here? Okay, so you ordered for biryani, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, her biryani is there. Oh my goodness, I'll show you. This looks delicious, my friend. Look at this, look at this. The delicacy, and it's just wonderful. So we'll tell you how it tastes like. I'm just gonna close this because I'm not eating and I don't want any flies to contaminate, though we don't have a fly out here, but also. Alright, so this is my thing, and this is creamy chicken soup. I hope it will be enough for me. Alright, so I'm just gonna eat that. some pickles if you want to. Yes, pretty much it. So guys, I'll give you the review of the food and everything. So this is what we get. This was a lunch. Okay, I'll show you dinner also if possible. So yeah, thanks, bye.
So that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll try to show more of it because tomorrow we are going to Coimbatore and we're going to have a layover there. We'll try to show you more of the layovers, but this was it for today, and thank you so much for watching. Also would like to say like, comment and subscribe if you found it interesting or maybe you liked it. Yes, that's it. And yes, let's be friends. Add me in Facebook or Instagram. Also, don't forget to stay safe, happy, and yes, enjoy the life. Ta-da!